Today I am discussing about the intermediate maths A trigonometry topic. In the trigonometry topic, I can discussing here exercise 6C. In the 6C third bit solution we are discussing here. First question, if tan theta is equals to cos 11 degrees plus sin 11 degrees divided by cos 11 degrees minus sin 11 degrees. If theta is in the third quadrant, then find theta. Tan theta is equals to our question cos 11 degrees plus sin 11 degrees by cos 11 degrees minus sin 11 degrees. In the numerator, denominator, we take the common cos 11 degrees. Cos 11 degrees we can take the common. It will be the 1 plus sin 11 degrees by cos 11 degrees. And in the denominator, cos 11 degrees common. Here 1 minus sin 11 degrees by cos 11 degrees. Sin by cos nothing but tan. 1 plus tan 11 degrees by 1 minus tan 11 degrees. Here the common terms are cancelled here. So we know that tan 45 equals to 1. Tan theta is equals to 1 plus tan 11 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 11 degrees. Tan 45 value we are already right here, tan 45 equals to 1. So 1 in the place of 1 I can replace tan 45. Tan 45 plus tan 11 degrees. So 1 minus, here I am writing 1 into tan 11. So in place of 1 I can write tan 45. Tan 45 tan 11. So I am writing here one formula. Tan of a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So this formula is suitable for this solution. So in this place I can write tan theta is equals to tan of 45 plus 11 like a plus b formula. So tan theta is equals to, this sum is tan 56. Here the condition, if theta is in the third quadrant, if theta is in the third quadrant, so tan theta is equals to tan of 180 plus 56, mean that tan of 180 plus theta, it is in the third quadrant. So tan cancel, theta is equals to 180 plus 56. The sum is theta equals to 236. Second question, if 0 less than a comma b less than 90 degrees such that cos a is equals to 5 by 13, sin b is equals to 4 by 5, find the value of sin a minus b. Find the value of sin a minus b. Given sin b is equals to 4 by 5, cos a is equals to 5 by 13. So sin formula in the trigonometry, sin b is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Mean that in the question they giving two sides values in the right angle triangle. Opposite side value is 4, hypotenuse value is 5. I can draw the right angle triangle. In this, AB is the hypotenuse, that value is 5. Opposite side is from the B opposite, angle B opposite side is AC. AC value is 4. Here cos A is equals to, cos ratio formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side value is 5, hypotenuse value is 13. So we take a right angle triangle. Here the angle is cos A. From A opposite side is this. Adjacent side is this one. So adjacent side value is 5, hypotenuse value is 13. Let we use the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem formula is hypotenuse square is equals to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. From the triangle, hypotenuse nothing but AB square. Adjacent side nothing but BC square. Opposite side nothing but AC square. In this we have to find out that adjacent side value. Adjacent side value mean that BC square is equals to AB square minus AC square. AB value is 5. I write here 5 square. AC 4 square. 5 square nothing but 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16 nothing but 9. So BC square equals to 9. BC equals to root of 9. Then 9 we can out of the root 3. Then BC equals to 3. Let we come to the second triangle. Hypotenuse square equals to adjacent side whole square plus opposite side whole square. So here hypotenuse is nothing but AC square is equals to adjacent nothing but AB square. opposite side nothing but BC square. In this triangle, we have to find out that here adjacent side is there, hypotenuse is there. So here we have to find out that opposite side. That's why this is the opposite side. That's why I am writing here BC square equals to AC square minus AB square. So BC square is equals to AC nothing but 13 square. I mean AB nothing but 5 square. 13 square minus 5 square. 13 square equals to 169. 5 square equals to 25. 169 minus 25, we get it 144. BC square equals to 144. BC equals to under root of 144. BC equals to 12. So actually we have to find out that sine of A minus B. Here sine of A minus B, we have the identity sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So from these triangles we can write sine A nothing but here BC by AC, and cos B nothing but from this triangle AC by AB, like this. And this value already given that cos A is equals to 5 by 13, sin B is equals to 4 by 5. So these values I am substituting here, like 12 by 13 into 4 by 5 minus 4 by 13 into 1 by 5. So in this 13 5s are 65, mean that I can take the common 1 by 65. 13 5s are 65, so I take the common 1 by 65. 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48. So I am writing here 48 minus nothing but 28 by 65. 28 by 65. Sorry, I made here mistakes. Objects. In the question, we find the value of sine A minus B. Sine A minus B is equals to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So from these two triangles, sine A nothing but BC by AC. From this triangle we can take BC by AC cos B. From this triangle AC by AB minus, already question low they given that cos A is equals to 5 by 13, sine B is equals to 4 by 5. From these two triangles I replace the values here. BC by AC nothing but 12 by 13, AC by AB nothing but 3 by 5. Already this value we are writing here now. So I can here multiply the 13 into 5. 13 5s are 65. So I take the common in the both denominators 1 by 65. 12 3s are 36. 5 4s are 20. 36 minus 20, 16. So finally we are getting 16 by 65. Thank you. Hey,